Good morning, respected HOS sir, Vice Principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Aran Jain of class 11B and Aniket Khila will speak on fitness and also take a pledge. Fitness encompasses a holistic approach to physical health, emphasizing regular exercise, balanced nutrition and mental well-being. It involves various activities from strength training, exercises, yoga, and sports, all aimed at improving endurance, flexibility, and overall strength. Maintaining fitness not only enhances physical appearance but also boosts energy levels, reduces stress, and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Adopting a consistent fitness routine fosters good health and encourages a positive mindset. Today, let us all pledge for fitness.
Please put your right hand forward to take the Fit India pledge and repeat after me. Take the pledge to lead an active and a healthy lifestyle. To take out 30 minutes every day for my fitness and health. To encourage my family members and neighbors to stay fit and healthy. To take the fitness assessment test on the Fit India mobile application quarterly. Thank you. Now I would like to request HOS sir to kindly address the morning assembly.